now it's day. I've been trying to get that taste off my tongue. I was dreaming of just you. Now our cereal, it is warm, attractive day in the rubble of the night from before. Now I can't walk in a vacuum. I feel ugly, I feel my pores. It's the trees of this day that I do battle with for the light. Then I start to feel tragic. People greet me, I'm polite. What's the day? What's you doing? How's your mood? How's that song? Man, it passes right by me. It's behind me. Now it's gone. And I can't lift you up. My mind is tired. It's family beaches I desire. Sacred night. We watch the fireworks, the frightened babies through. They got to flashing lights. The colored wire that make me feel that I'm only all I see sometimes. I've been eating with a good friend. You said a genie made me out of the earth's skin. And in spite of her, she is my birthkin. She spits me out in her soda blood rivers. All the people I'm lurking and the minions of a hot Turkish ship. The elephants be reaching for purses. And meet me out in the world with the shoes. I've been eating with a good friend. You said a genie made me out of the earth's skin. And in spite of her, she's my birthkin. She spits me out in her soda blood rivers. All the people I'm lurking and the minions of a hot Turkish ship. The elephants be reaching for purses. And meet me out in the world with the shoes. I've been eating with a good friend. You said a genie made me out of the earth's skin. And in spite of her, she's my birthkin. She spits me out in her soda blood rivers. All the people I'm lurking and the minions of the hot Turkish ship. The elephants be reaching for.
Heidelberg cross country, country, country. Oh, Heidelberg cross country, country, country. Today we've got a little race for y'all. It's spectator running like a game of basketball. It's an inter-team war for the ages. Lick your fingers and turn the pages of this digital story that's about to unfold. It's the youngsters versus their elders, at least that's what I've been told. It's the youngsters versus their elders, at least that's what I've been